Alright, so tonight this project is going to be drilling out all these spot welds so I can get the dash shell out. It's a mega pain in the butt, but it's gotta happen, so that's what we're gonna do tonight. So you can see what I gotta do here. So I'm drilling out all the spot welds. I'm getting this chisel in between, and I gotta do that along the whole edge. To get the dash shell out. Alright, so that was a pain in the butt, but we got it in. I went with a satin black bottom too. It's gonna be a black dash pad on here, so I really don't care about the part that's like from here up, because it's all gonna be covered in dash pad. You won't be able to see it. But so now the job is going to be closing up this gap, get some pliers in there and some aluminum blocks for heat sink, and we'll get all this tacked up, spot welded back up with the TIG welder. So we're getting there. Alright, so we're going to start filling these holes here. And what I'm using is a TIG welder. So TIG welder stands for tungsten inert gas. I don't have a MIG welder anymore, so I've been using my TIG welder for everything. But basically what we have to do is fill most of this. I got a piece of aluminum I'm going to put back there, and then kind of bounce around back and forth throughout the different holes here to kind of not let too much heat build up in one spot. So I'll show you how this goes here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to bounce around and fill these back in. Let this area cool down and go over to the other area. But basically we have to do every single one of these holes. There's probably about 30 of them. I'm getting really close and you can see. So I kind of have it clamped in. Alright, so that's enough for tonight. I'm going to let this cool down and I'll come back at this tomorrow. I think tomorrow we might start putting in our pedal assembly and some of the other stuff that's going to go in there. So we'll wrap this up for tonight. I think it's off to a good start. It's going in there really good.